Situated in Via dei Laghi 19 in Altavilla Vicentina, Entity Elettronica is a firm specialized in planning production of electronic cards according to clients' requirements and with products of high technology. Founded in 1989 in Alte di Montecchio Maggiore, Entity Elettronica has developed and now it has 32 employees. Since 2005, Entity Elettronica has been investing resources in the field of LEDs with system of lighting that will be the best in the world. Thanks to the dimension, the duration, the vast range of colors, it's possible to employ this technology both in inside lighting, such as in houses, offices, factories, surgeon studios, and in outside lighting, such as in gardens, monuments, luminous signs. The team of skillful employees able to plan electronic cards suitable to the use of LED, Entity Elettronica works with ultra-modern technologies and new generation machinery on over 1,000 projects. Among the services Entity Elettronica can offer to its clients, there are the planning, the engineering, the realization of prototypes to be tested and then produced in series according to the required product. In the first phase, the planning, it takes place the layout of the project as required and the study of suitable possible solutions. The technical competence of the firm comes from over 20 years of experience and is constantly updated with the knowledge of the newest technologies on the market. The phase of development of the products begins with the realization of the electric scheme and the CAD planning of the master of the printed circuit. The realization of the electric scheme provides the use of the most suitable microprocessor in terms of functions, cost and viability on the market, and the use of new generation components to guarantee moderate costs. Besides, the daily contact with the productivity allows to consider the raising of problems for the finished product as soon as they happen, and permits the immediate solution also from the mechanical point of view. As soon as the electric scheme is fulfilled and tested, the master of the printed circuit is realized. As Entity Elettronica develops this component entirely, it is able to guarantee the reliability of the card, simplifying at the same time the phase of assemblage. Modern tools of development allow an efficient realization of the software that checks the electronic cards. Subsequently, the samples realized for the control of the product on application field are handed to the client. All the products are tested in the major laboratory to get the compatibility with the European rules about susceptibility and immunity to electromagnetic disturbances. The prototypes are built with the same components as the finished products, and they permit a first test in the process of assemblage in order to define the productive precautions for the last series. When the test is finished, it's possible to start with supplying of the materials and the beginning of the production. There is a manual assemblage department for traditional components and another for SMD components, suitable to assembly components inferior to mm. The used equipments are the best on the market. During the final phase of the productive line, different controls are made. both visual and functional, checked continuously by highly qualified personnel with suitable tools. This particular care in the relationship with the clients and the flexibility of its production have allowed Entity Elettronica to present itself as one of the best partners in the industrial panorama in North Italy today. For its experience, Entity Elettronica has been selected by CRE, world leader in the production of dies for LED, as well as the first world producer of power LED, and it is the only Italian point of reference for the planning of personalized LED solutions. In 2009, Entity Elettronica reached the 20 years finishing line of its foundation. Entity Elettronica SRL is in Via dei Laghi 19 in Altavilla Vicentina.